everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel, and boy do I have some news for you because Scentsy has just released a brand new wax collection and a brand new buddy. I love that they're doing these launches on Mondays because it makes that Monday feeling a little bit better. So I am loving this. So just yesterday, these two items were available, and they are available only while supplies last. So fingers, toes, and eyes crossed that everything is still currently available. I have a feeling like the wax collection is going to be available a little bit longer than this cutie that we are going to start with. So let's go ahead and start with the buddy. Where are my unicorn lovers at? Get ready, because we have Halley the Unicorn. And check her out. How sweet is she? She's the prettiest shade of blue, and I love that her hooves and her horn are like this metallic blue shade. So stinking cute. She is not gonna last very long at all. I can tell you that much right now. So let me go ahead and read you a little bit about her to you from Scentsy. So Scentsy says, a little bit spunky and a little bit sparkly, this winged unicorn is destined to be a star. Our new Halley the Unicorn Scentsy buddy is strong and majestic, not to mention sweet and cuddly, and she'll make you the center of her universe. So she is available currently only while supplies last for $35. With that $35 purchase, you are also getting a scent pack of your choice to go along with your buddy. So that's really great. So you don't have to purchase an additional scent pack unless you would like to. So that is super great. So she is currently available while supplies last. So consider yourself warned, because she is going to sell out. And then I know a lot of people are going to be like, wait a minute, I didn't know. You are warned. So stop everything you're doing. If you or someone you know is a crazy fanatic for unicorns, go to your consultant's website, go to my website, contact us. We are happy, more than happy, to help you get this ordered and to your home for you. Okay, so yes, $35 US comes with the scent pack. So now let's talk about this wax collection. We're just gonna keep this whole fantasy theme going here because we now have a fantasy themed wax collection. Would you look at that? 5 beautiful bars, 1 organza bag, perfect for gift giving or repurposing if you would like. So this wax collection is available now only while supplies last, 5 fragrances. Let me tell you a little bit about this. Now, what I do want to say is that as consultants, we are not given little testers for the limited time products. So I have not had a chance to sniff through these at all. I have ordered both the buddy as well as this wax collection. And you guys know, as soon as it comes in, I will unbox and share them with you. And of course, we'll do a first sniffs together and I'll give you my honest opinions. But as consultants, we were not able to sniff these ahead of time at all. They hardly give us any like real heads up that these things are going to be happening, just to be able to give everyone a chance to place their orders. So I can't wait to stick my sniffer in these bars because oh my gosh, they sound amazing. So let's go ahead and talk about this. Are you partial to pixie dust? Then the Fantasy Wax Collection is a dream come true with 5 bold and fruity fragrances packaged in a cute and giftable organza bag. There are 5 bars that come in this collection. Now, what I do want to say is that you cannot purchase these bars just like one at a time. You do have to purchase all 5 of them. Who knows, maybe at some point when like the gift bag bundles sell out, sometimes what they'll do is they will unlock them and you'll be able to build like a separate bundle and save. But as of right now, as of today, the only way to purchase them is the whole bundle itself. You cannot purchase like only all 6 bars of Confetti Party. That is one of the bars. How fun is that? So it's an all or nothing kind of thing as of right now. But what I do want to say is that they are all currently available to add to your Scentsy club. So if only one of these sounds like it's going to be up your alley, go ahead and add it to your Scentsy club. You don't have to add all 5 of them. Just as the one-time purchase, you do have to purchase all 5 of them in this bundle. So adding to your Scentsy club is available now for the next 30 days or until the bundle sells out. So what I recommend, what I do personally for myself, I just add all of the bars to my Scentsy Club. And then once they come in and I sniff through them and I'm like, I'm not crazy about these, or I can live without them, they're not really club worthy, then I'll take them out. But I always want to secure them in my Scentsy Club, just to make sure that I don't miss out. So enough talking, Lisa. Let's talk about what the scent notes here are in this bundle. So the first bar is called Confetti Party. It's raining fun. Powdered sugar celebrates over a gala of green apple and fresh citrusy kiwi. Oh man, I'm excited for that. I think that's gonna be absolutely amazing. So the next bar is Pixie Sparkle. Sparkling strawberry skipping over vanilla marshmallow and breezy blush amber. Feels just like a fairy tale. That's got me written all over it. I can't wait. They are really, Scentsy is like stepping up their strawberry game. Let me tell you. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait. Okay, next one is Rainbow Berry. Colorful mixed berries and vanilla band together for some fun in a fragrance rainbow worth chasing. That sounds like it's gonna be really good too. Honestly, all of these just sound like they're going to be totally up my alley. There's only one that I'm like, maybe not. This one is not that one. Sparkling sugar, wild pineapple and sparkling yuzu flirt boldly with sugared musk and a thrilling tropical twist. That sounds super interesting with the pineapple, the yuzu, and the musk. Like that sounds like it's gonna be super interesting. Maybe like a fruity romantic kind of scent. I don't know, we'll see. This is the one I'm a little bit like intrigued by. And that is Unicorn Kisses. This fantasy making fragrance proves that anything's possible with pink watermelon, cherry lollipop, and rainbow rose. So this is the one that I'm a little bit like, I don't know. We'll see. I'm intrigued because of the watermelon, cherry lollipop. That's the note that I'm like, am I gonna love this? I don't know, we'll see. Because cherry lollipop, that's going to be that sugary sweet, artificial smelling cherry, right? That's what it's supposed to smell like. So we've got that, we've got those two. And then we have rose. But we know how much I love strawberry rose. Man, is that my jam. So we'll see. You guys know I keep a completely open mind, so I'll stick my sniffer in anything. We'll see. So this is available for $25. You are getting the whole set. You are getting all 5 bars plus the organza bag. Only available while supplies last. But don't forget to add them to your Scentsy Club. That way you don't miss out. You can always remove them later. So let me just zoom in on this picture here one more time for you. So you get all 5 fabulous fragrances. They sound like they're going to be fruity deliciousness, and I can't wait to sniff them out myself. So as you guys know, I did place my order today for this bundle for the Buddy. As soon as my goodies come in, you know I'm going to share them with you, but I wanted to share these items to you first before my goodies actually came, just because these are limited time only. They are only available while supplies last. This Buddy is not going to last. I will be shocked if this Halley the Unicorn is going to be available by the time she actually makes it to me. So I wanted to be able to share it with you in case you or someone you love might enjoy them. So that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.